Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we would solve the practice problem uppercase conversion. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically we would be given a string like I like, one moment, let me write it properly. String that is I like apple. Okay, so this is the given string. What I need to do is I just need to convert the first letter of every word to capital. So basically my output would be I capital, L would be capital, remaining everything would be small, like apple, A would be capital, remaining all the alphabets would be small. So this is what I need to do, and for doing this we have a built-in function in Python which is title. So when I use this built-in function, it automatically just converts the first letter of every word to capital, remaining all the letters are lowercase. So I hope the question is clear to you as well as the solution. So now let's do it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In difficulty you need to choose school. Okay. Then you need to find the problem uppercase conversion. Okay. After this, we need to solve it. Given a string str, convert the first letter of each word in the string to uppercase, okay? And we would code it over here. So let's do it. What I need to do is, let's do it in 2 lines. Answer equal to S is the given string, dot title is the built-in function, right? After this, I would return with the value of answer, okay? Return answer. Now to check if this is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. So let us wait. So the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem uppercase conversion. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching it. Thank you.